Hello, your mark your attendance. Then now start industrial pollution. Second part of the controlling of air pollution and soil pollution. Okay. Then now start the how to control the air pollution. Anyone can define. First, the controlling air pollution. How to control the air pollution? First, you 10 best way to reduce the air pollution. First is the how to reduce the air pollution. Anyone? Okay. How to the what is the best way of the reduce the air pollution? How to use? Anyone define the kind of way of the reduce air pollution? This is the first way of the reduce air pollution using public transports. So you reduce the using public transport, then you reduce the air pollution. Okay, using public transport is sure short way of the contributing to less air pollution as it provide with less gas and energy. Okay, and even carport's contribution to it leads to less release of the fuels and gas using a public transport can also help saving money. Okay, this is the best way to reduce the air pollution. The controlling air pollution, the maintain a healthy distance between industry and residential area. Okay, and the construction chimney tall in size. Okay, and then removing and recycling waste in the industrial plants and refineries. Okay, and the planting plants and metabolism oxide and other pollutants. And then is the next designing automobiles with emission control system. Okay, and then timely servicing of the car and minimizing fuel consumption. This is the I have discussed using public transport. Then you can reduce the air pollution. Okay, and then the timely servicing car and minimize fuel exhaustion and using public transportation using alternative energy sources, solar, hydroelectric, and wind. Okay, this is the first you discuss using public transport, and then second one is the turn of the light when not in use. Okay, this turn off light. So when you जब आप light use नहीं करें, then you turn off the light. The energy that is the light take also contribute to air pollution. Okay, it will contribute the air pollution, and thus less consumption of electricity can save energy. Use energy saving fluorescent light to help the environment. It is follow the 3R: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Okay, this is the follow the three principle: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Okay, and then the third one, the recycle and reuse, is the control the air pollution. The concept of recycle and reuse is not just conserve resources and use them physically, but also it is help for air pollution as it help in the reducing pollution emission. The recycled products also take less power to make other products. Okay, and then now the no to plastic bags. The use of plastic products could not be very harmful to the environment as they take very long time to decompose due to their material. Then use using the alternative energy sources, solar, hydroelectric, and wind. And the solar is the recycle and reuse and the turn of the light, and is hydroelectric. And then no plastic to use. The use of plastic products could be very harmful to the environment as they take a very long time to decompose due to their materials made up of soil. Okay. And while that the use of paper bags is still the better alternatives as they decompose easily and are recyclable. Okay, so this is the new no to plastic bag and the reduction of forest fires and smoking. The collecting of garbage and getting it on fire in dry seasons or dry leaves catching fire is a huge factor for causing air pollution. Moreover, smoking also causes air pollution and cause the air quality to worse along with the obviously damage the one's health. Okay, there is a water pollutants and then use of the fans instead of air conditioners. The use of acids take a lot of energy and emits a lot of heat, which is bad for the environment. And AC also take a lot of power and energy to work compared to the fan. Then use the fan instead of air conditioner. And use filter for chimney. Avoid use of crackers. Okay, these are the controlling of the air pollution. But not in the use of filter for chimney. In the use of chimney, the filter gas that is emitted from the fire places in homes and factories are extremely dangerous for air pollution and harm the air quality severely. The use of filters should be used. They now use the fan, use alternative the air condition. They use filter for chimney. This is a footnote. It is a help to reduce the effect of harmful gases. And then a wide uses of crackers. Use the use of cracking during festival and wedding is sadly one of the biggest contributor to air pollution. That's a very fact. And leading to a layer of smoke is extremely harmful for health. So practice of no crackers should be maintained. And then avoiding using of product with the chemicals product not used is avoid. Okay, then you control the air pollution. Product that is with chemical in the uses of a smell strongly like paints and perfumes should be used less or outside the house. When you use the perfume, because the hard perfume is just like with the chemical. Okay, the hard perfume is a very smell. This is the air pollution. There can also the alternative to use product with low chemical content and organic properties. Okay, this is the first you avoid the fumes and paints like this. The dying times of the textile industries is not control the air pollution. Okay, then implement the afforestation. Okay, these are the controlling of air pollution. Okay, then now water pollutants. Why? What anyone can define the water pollution? Water pollutants just are the detergent, chloroform, food processing waste. The first you any can define the what is the water pollution. How to control the water pollution? Anyone? The water pollution. How to control the water pollution? Because first you control the pollutants. Not without suppose you not water pollution created from the industries. Industries not without treatment you dispose the water in the river water body. So detergents, the pollutants. Okay. Then firstly dispose of toxic chemicals properly. Okay. This household solvent, pesticide, and cleaners must be. Might not seem that the bad bleach, paint. Now, this is the dispose of the chemicals and the salt with water pollution in mind. Okay. And the pollutants is the detergent chloroform, food processing waste, fat and grease, insecticide and herbicides. Okay. This is petroleum hydrocarbons, gas oil, diesel fuel, okay, jet fuel and fuel, lubricants. Okay, do not pour fat and grease down the drain. Okay, grease and fat is the cooking while should be disposed of in it trash or kept in a fat jar. Okay, for disposal with other solid waste. Your pipes might clog and cause your pipes to clog back up into yards and basement. Okay, and they use phosphate-free detergents and dish cleaners. You can further cut down on water pollution by using just enough of these cleaners to do the job. The phosphate are not the only harmful chemicals in cleaners. Okay, so the use of phosphate and this type of the chemicals and lead to algae blooms and kill fish and other aquatic animals by losing oxygen in the water. Suppose you directly dispose in the water, dispose wastewater from the industries and the water bodies are suppose lake and river. This type of aquatic life is the kill of fish, badly impact on the fish. Okay. And the check your sump pump or the cellar drain and the dispose of the medical waste properly and eat more organic foods that consider the fats in this. Okay, dispose of medical waste properly. So this means never push medicine down the toilet and never dump them in the nearest ponds or creek. Let the drugs stain they accumulate in the water and in the fish and other wildlife. Animals and other compounds into the causing a variety and the variety of healthy problems in fish and birds and contaminates drinking water the people and livestock use. Suppose they eat more organic foods. Real chemicals can be used on organic foods. They train people to produce with few systematic chemicals. Eating organic reduce the amount of chemicals pollution that end up in the water. The food we choosing to eat has a huge impact on the environmental quality. Between the chemicals used to grow food, the fuel to transport the crops, and the fuel used to power farm equipment on industrial farms is the and the report water polluters. The many cases waste of water, dispose other form of water polluting the unpolluted often or cleaner. And report the role of poor while and storm drain in the aquatic bodies. Suppose aquatic bodies, the water bodies such as drains like okay. And the support environmental charities, no matter when you live in the country, they are going to the charities working water production. The water pollution can similarly cause this the organization is the need the support. and the cut on meat consumption. Okay, this is the lubricant while is using water pollutants. Then cause the effect. And the causes and effect of the cause of viral spill garbage sewage water effluent also found in the findings. This treatment plant is the image finding the variety. And showing this image first is showing the image is the this is the point source and or the point source. Okay, and this is the non-point source called is the and is all this is the all water this is guided in the non-point source. This is the point source. All it is the point source. Very important. This is the point. This is point source, and all other is non-point source. This is non-point source. Okay, and then this is the fluid of varying quality directly into the water bodies. And in village, people have bath in the river. They wash their clothes and underside there. This is the water quality is the bad due to the hardness. Suppose village people bathing and wash the cloth in the river. Bath you use the detergent. Detergent is the pollutants of the water pollution. But detergent and soap using the river is the river water quality is the hardness is the more to more increased. Okay, and in cities people throw food vapors and other gases in the water bodies. Okay, this is the causes of the water pollution and effect the disturb the ecosystem. So how to disturb the ecosystem? The maintain. Suppose you disturb the natural ecosystem. Okay, the natural ecosystem comes under the water is the natural part. You disturb the natural part and then you increase the water pollution. First, keep your vehicles from leaking. Cut down on the chemicals. Plant some trees. If day to day cut the tree, then increase the water pollution, air pollution. Okay, and loss of the aquatic lives. Suppose you directly this type of black water. You see the black water directly disposed from the industries in the river. Okay, the aquatic life is the live in the dangerous zone. Directly aquatic life dead. Okay, from the this type of the chemical. And this is the sludge. Okay, and this is the blue water showing the river and lake. Aspect of disease. The many types of diseases we expect from the air pollution and the water pollution also, not in the noise pollution. Water pollution directly spread the disease. Okay. A specific effect of the water pollution. Okay. And the water bodies like lake and river are polluted, which resulted in the death of marine animals like fishes, turtles, whales, dolphins. These are the aquatic life. They live in the water. Due to the water pollution day to day increase, then aquatic life is the live in the dangerous zone, not save the life of the aquatic. And is the wild spill not only harm marine animals, but they also affect the precipitation rate. Okay, if the polluted water is consumed by the human, then waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, and dysentery is the spread from the water pollution. Okay. And the when the pesticide of the surface runoff reach the lakes, they lead to the growth of algae which are sometimes cover the whole lake and into a lake which is in the animals die. Okay, this is a specific effect of the water pollution. And then you see the normal lake and lake during the eutrophication, algae blooms. Suppose this is the suppose in river algae bloom is increased that the oxygen dissolve oxygen less. BOD is increased the dissolve oxygen less. Okay, you see them as the boy the athlete is from the this type of water. You see the image of the fishes directly they kill the fishes from the after the death is all fishes are the swim in the upper layer of the water and see in the duck. Okay, this type of is from the water pollution. Controlling water pollution. How to control the conserve the water by turning off the tap and the mind what you throw down your sink or toilet. Okay, God not throw the sink or toilet in the water. Okay, conserve the water by turning off the tap. And don't throw the paint and wash in the water channel. Use environment-friendly household products such as washing powder, household cleaning agents. Okay. Now take great care not to. Okay, then take great care not to absorb pesticides and fertilizers. If I use the pesticide and fertilizer directly pollute the water pollution and the ground also groundwater pollution. Okay. And do not throw little into river, lakes, and ocean. Help clean up any little you see on beaches or in river and lakes. Make sure it is safe to collect the little or put in the nearby the dustbin. Okay, use the dustbin, not throw the any types of wastage in the river and lakes. Minimizing use of water by reusing and recycling. Okay. And the harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements and treating effluents before releasing. So this is the controlling water pollution, how to control the water pollution. The first is the main point. This point is the main point. Do not throw the dust, use the dustbin. Okay. And minimizing use of water by reusing and recycling. Harvesting, rainwater harvesting is the very important. Use environmental eco-friendly household products such as the washing powder, household cleaning agents. These are the use. Okay. The treating polluted water, the suspended solid particles and organic materials can be removed by the user. How to find the TDS, total dissolved solid? वो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे कि वाटर में इतना सॉलिड अवेलेबल है? अगर वो लैब टेस्ट करना है, हाउ टू टेस्ट इन द लेबोरेटरी? A simple way of your solid. Suppose you in a simple way. Okay. Suppose you three two container. Okay. So first you weight the container. Okay. The empty container weight, and then you fill the water. Okay, and fill the water. Then you is the empty container is the W1 and is W2 equal to this is the filled container. Was 50 gram and it is 100 gram. Okay, this is 100 grams and the 50 grams. Okay, then you put in the this container in the oven. Okay, then after 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, fine and get result is wait. Then you dry the water. Okay, then you wait the W2 minus W1 is find the your TDS value. Okay, and then now the use of biological filter and process can naturally degrade the organic rust material. And after about 2 steps, chemically reduce the other supply to the get rid of any leftover impurities. This is the treating powdered water. Okay. And as a soil pollution, you see in the image, the soil pollution is suppose many people is directly through the waste of bags directly throw in the river. Some animals eat this bag and it directly polluted. So the disease spread the disease in the animals and directly spread the soil pollution. The soil pollution is caused by the presence of exotic human-made chemicals or other alternative in the natural soil environment. Okay, you see in the image this type of pollution created that is responsible for the human activities that is through the after the sometimes this type of pollution there are many types of pollution created. Suppose air, water, and the soil pollution also. Okay, so you see in the this type of pollution create the atmosphere ecosystem is the disbalanced. Okay, and then now it is typically caused by the industrial activity as well as chemicals improve for disposal of the waste. And this type of pollution created by the human activity is the soil pollution directly disbalance the ecosystem. Soil contaminating chemicals is petroleum, hydrocarbons, and polynuclear hydrocarbons, pesticide, and lead and other heavy metals. These are the soil contaminating chemicals. The cause and effect of the soil pollution you see in the image is you see there's the one person is directly sprayed the chemicals in the in agricultural purpose, use agricultural purpose. Because this type of fumes is create the air pollution. Air pollution also, soil pollution also. Okay, this type of pollution created by the human activities. Use pesticide using the agriculture. This portion of underground storage tanks, the causes, and application of pesticide and fertilizers, and the mining of oil and fuel dumping, disposal of coal as leaching from landfills, discharge of industrial waste to the soil, and drainage of contaminated surface water into the soil. So this type of activities create the soil pollution from during the agriculture time. Agriculture time we use the phosphate and urea, this is the paddy farms, and you need two types of farms, inorganic and organic farms. So this type of farm is inorganic, and organic farm is the best wastage of the human household. Okay, this is the causes of the soil pollution. And the effect is the reduced fertility of soil, and this type of use the, suppose you day to day use the fertilizers such as urea and phosphate. After a long time use this type of fertilizer that reduce your fertility of soil. Suppose a human day to day eat the medicine, your medicine use that directly impact on your body. So this type of medicine you lost your the fertility. Fertility means you the gain the energy. You take your energy is a loss, your life is the loss. Okay. Then followed groundwater, fall, order, and death on the living things. This is the effect. Okay. And then now this is specific of soil pollution. This is the waste from landfill leaches and cause contaminates the groundwater. And certain animals eat waste like plastic bags and die. It emits fall, odor, and becomes breeding ground for mosquitoes. And the waste on a landfill reduces the fertility of the soil. Pesticide, benzene, and chromium and weed killers sprayed on the field are carcinogens which have been established to lead to all kinds of cancer. And the long-term benzene exposure is responsible for irregular menstrual cycle in women, leukemia, and anemia. Yes, Katri. Effect of the soil pollution. We see in the image, this is the very dangerous. How to control the air pollution? The limiting to the fertilizer and the pesticide. Okay. How to control the not use, that is not use the fertilizer and pesticide. Only limited use. And creating awareness about the biological control method and their implementation. Using proper preventive method like seed in area of wind erosion and wind breaks. Okay. And the treating industrial and nuclear waste. Okay, and the proper disposing of plastic and other garbage material and minimizing reusing and recycling. This is the controlling of air pollution. Suppose first you minimize the use of fertilizer and pesticides. Okay, and then you aware the you arrange the program for the rural person to not use the fertilizer and pesticide. You use the organic farm. Okay. You use the organic farm, then you control your. Okay,